Welcome guys, welcome back to Newbie Money. Today's a $23 gain, so not too crazy, but we're still working on that process that we've been talking about, just kind of really trying to understand what's going on in the market and trying to understand the price action and the volatility of the whole stock market, right? So today I mostly traded NVDA, Riot, and a bit of Mara, but mostly Riot, I would say. So with NVDA, I had a short here and shorted at the 308 and covered around the 305. And again, the reason why I'm shorting is on the daily, I keep thinking this is gonna pull back from its overextension. So again, it doesn't have to do anything that I think. The market is gonna do whatever it wants to do, so I have to protect myself. And as soon as I made this trade early in the morning, it looked like a beautiful short, and it was a beautiful short. You know, usually I would hit this with a minimum of 100 shares, but I hit it with 20 shares. And it's a bit of like disappointing when you're just like, oh, I only made 38 bucks, but that's just where things compound and it gets worse and worse. But anyways, I had a really good entry here. I did another trade here, was a $27 loss, but I increased my size to 120 shares from that 20, and that's exactly what happened, because I felt a little bit frustrated here, so I was like, I'm going to increase my size and a little bit, so I had a $27 loss. Then I've noticed that I had a 26, 34 NVDA. So at this point I was down 49 bucks. Then I decided to leave it alone, which is a pretty big move and a pretty big step. You kind of consciously understand that you're pretty much just banging your head against the wall, and there's no need for you to be in this environment. So I moved all my shit to RIOT. I'm like, peace. RIOT is just going parabolic, just due to the fact that Bitcoin looks like it's about to break that all-time resistance. So I get a beautiful short with 100 shares on this guy. So again, I would have a minimum 500 shares shorting this guy right here, but it's okay, it's no big deal. I short, cover, then I get psyched out here. Then I do a bunch of scalps, dip buys here, quick shorts there, dip buy here, quick short, break even, and I called it a day. So with me being $23 up, I am pretty sure I am $32 worth of commission spent. So we're down around like 9 or 8 bucks there, and that's fine. Like, that's not a big deal. I'm pretty much just paying small amount of money to the market, or getting small amount of money from the market, just to really get the hang of it before I can scalp in peace and scalp with position. So with that being said, I think today was a pretty good win. It's Monday, I don't want to push it. I prefer to have a green day on Monday so I can set a good tone for the rest of the week, and it is a green day technically. It was, I guess, $8 down, right, was commission, but still that's a huge win for me, and I'm going to see what tomorrow has to offer for me. One thing I want to add is a few things that I liked. I want to add what thing I did good and what thing I didn't do good is so on the positive side, I'm happy that I left NVDA as soon as I noticed that this fruit wasn't bearing any fruit anymore, or the tree is not bearing any fruit. And I was like, okay, at this point I'm just kind of pushing it, there's no need for me to keep trading it, and I left. So I really do appreciate that. Another thing that I really do like is, for some reason my alarm didn't go off at 5:30, and it went off. It didn't even go off actually. I woke up at 6:30. I was like, oh shit, the market is going to be open. So I made my way here, and in the past where I've woken up late and I've shown up to trade, I've lost money because I haven't been well prepared and I'm trying to force a trade. So I'm happy that I sat back and I really didn't do anything too crazy in regard to me waking up late. Things that I could improve on is just this emotional control. For example, this was such a good entry I got out here, and here there's no need for me to go with size and short down. That's not a good spot to short. So like if this thing could have easily bounced up and gone up against me, and if I covered here, that would have been like $180 loss, you know. So $27 loss for a stupid mistake like that is pretty lucky. So I'm pretty happy with that. And with that being said, I think that's it for today, and we'll see how tomorrow goes. Okay, see you guys.